So that's how it looks. And I got the trailer or the pup on. You gotta jackknife that bad boy to be able to dump your truck. Sorry about the dirty window, but that's just the way it goes. Look at that. Then, once I've done that, put the box the rest of the way up. Move ahead. And hopefully your trailer will follow. I apologize for the camera, I'm just holding on to it while I'm trying to go ahead here. And then she dumps out. Then what I do is, when I get out, wait for the box to come down. Grab the shovel. Go around to the back and clean off this little bit of crap. Literally, crap. And then that's it. So we're not tracking that down the highway. We're done. Lovely, lovely manure.